Manifest Your Desires, a guide. The power to manifest your desires is within you. By understanding the law of attraction and using it to your advantage, you can create the life you've always wanted. This guide will walk you through the basics of manifesting and how to use it to manifest your desires. The law of attraction states that what we focus on, we attract into our lives. When we focus on negative thoughts, we attract negative experiences. When we focus on positive thoughts, we attract positive experiences. Manifesting is the process of intentionally focusing on positive thoughts and feelings to attract desired outcomes into your life. To manifest your desires, you must first understand the power of intention. Intention is the energy behind your thoughts and feelings. When you set a clear intention, you are sending a powerful signal to the universe that you are ready to manifest your desires. This signal will be picked up by the universe and will start working to bring your desired outcomes into your life. Once you have set your intention, it's time to take action. Taking action is the key to manifesting your desires. Taking action will help you stay focused on your intention and will help you attract the desired outcomes into your life. Taking action can be as simple as taking steps towards your goal or making small changes in your life to create the desired outcomes. Manifesting is a process, and it takes time for your desired outcomes to manifest. While manifesting, it's important to stay focused on your intention and take consistent action. It's also important to be patient and trust that the universe is working to bring your desired outcomes into your life. With time and patience, you will be able to manifest your desires. Manifesting is a powerful tool that can help you create the life you've always wanted. By understanding the law of attraction and using it to your advantage, you can manifest your desires and create the life you've always dreamed of. Manifesting is a powerful tool, but it's important to remember that it's not a magic wand. You must take action and be patient to manifest your desires. With the right mindset and consistent action, you can manifest your desires and create the life you've always wanted.